Welcome back to our channel. We're here at the Conquest Inn at Lost Bridge North. We're camping this weekend. We're enjoying our time together out in the great outdoors. Something we enjoy doing. We also enjoy cooking out. Sometimes I nail it. But today, I made this chicken. And while it has good flavor, you chew on this stuff right here. You're either going to break a tooth, and if you choke on top, you might be in Hawaii because you're about to top up what feels like sand. I mean, it really feels like I have the Mojave Desert in my mouth. And I don't really have anybody to blame but myself. I just left the chicken on the grill a little bit too long. See? Folks, I advise everybody to get a thermometer, a meat thermometer, and check the temperature of your chicken off. 165, that's all it's got to be. I think I got this up to 250. And it tastes like sawdust. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope this has been helpful.